ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ya Shynrai Lakadong latip ne itho ya hakakardan one district, one product, lani ODOP. Lingba ka jingpat jingkmi, jong ka promotion of industry and internal trade, ka bahab hapo ka Ministry of Commerce and Industry jong ka Sarkar India. Kum shibenta ban kampan suk ye ki pain ba nong rep ya Shynrai Lakadong, haka henrew tarik ubnay rempang arajar arfuar. La persang ban penher ye ka drone, ka bakit ya Shynrai Lakadong haka shnong mule, ka bahab hapo ka West Gentia Hills District, But kabalongru ka shnong jong ka kong Trinity sayo ka way ni kilong kami kabala job haga jingrap Shynrai Lakadong. But kabala yo apdyangru ye ka khusnam Patmasri na ka khti jong President kari India. Ya ka odop la pentray kam de ka jingas no akti lang jong ka Agni mission ka bahap hapo ka jingpet jingkmi jong ka Prime Minister Science, Technology and Innovation Advisory Council. But kaba pelilat ye kino kireo shampang kibadan kari India ban mi shakmat nagabenta ban pendon kam ye ka sap but hagani ka kinti yo Shynrai Lakadong la Pynkit yo da kaba pendon kam da ka leveraging payload drones. Ka additional secretary jong ka DPIIT ka Sumita Daura habakren ka jingilang haswa ban penher ye gani ka drone. Kalaong bagani ka program kan longkum umaw mer ban jam sya ka jok ban pendon kam ya ki korjing start ki balong ki atyar ki ban pensuk ya ka kit ka ba but what hado ya ki marep ba kordor kum Shynrai Lakadong. Ya Shynrai Lakadong bala rep ha West Gentia Hills lan yo yu kum uway ni ki Shynrai ubabha ni ki babhatam ha ka ba ka curcumin content jong kalong hanyo persen hado kandai persen. Namar ka jing bha jong uni Shynrai la penlong menta ya kari India bakan kamay amduna ya ka arspa alai po 100.1 million da ka pisa phareng ya Shynrai house nam arajar khat phra but shispa prapu r.1 million ha usnam arajar khat nyo.
Approximately 10,000 metric tons of production here. We have approximately 1,600 hectares in West Gentia Hills and 2,000 hectares in East Gentia Hills. West Gentia Hills has the Lakadong variety of turmeric, which has the highest curcumin content. This is the one product that the entire world does not have except for this area. And all our collaborations with the state government, with the central government, have been focusing on. The central government has focused on making this variety, which is of a high export quality, to be accessible to a larger market in the world. So, with that agenda in mind, the Lakadong flag off event is a great welcome step, so that we explore those opportunities.
How I come to know to help the farmer, because I cannot neglect the spice foods of government of India. This is the department who come and help me how to support the farmers. During that time, I help the farmer how to get subsidy from these spice foods. So during that time, they provide them as money. This money, what shall they do? They can buy the turmeric seed from the others, and then they can also spend this money regarding with the hard worker in the field. Up to the year 2015, every year I increase the farmers to help them to get the subsidy from the spice boot. But first of all, I start from this my loving village, Moli village. So I'm very happy to work with the farmers. Being if I am a school teacher also, but after school I used to be with the farmers in the field or in the any kind of program like awareness program, how to encourage them to grow more Lakadong turmeric and how to grow it in an organic way. So up to 2015, I have brought 3 trips to the Kerala, the farmers from our village and from the others village also, how to see there in Kerala, the farmers, how they are doing with the others products like the black pepper, ginger, cardamoms, small cardamom, large cardamom. So they are very happy to visit visit our Kerala state.
It is difficult, it rains, it suddenly rained and suddenly stopped, but carrying turmeric in transport vehicles can be quite challenging under such weather conditions, under such a difficult terrain. So getting the idea of drones, which is a good collaboration with the Agni Mission, where innovative technologies are used for transportation and for leveraging on the opportunities present in the rural communities. So that's a great collaboration and a great idea, a great way forward in solving first mile connectivity issues, the way shown by you in Meghalaya. And this is also a very strong collaboration with the Smart Village movement, whereby the local communities, rural communities empower themselves and they use the opportunities which they have to improve their own standard of living for themselves and their families. So great learnings from here. And this is one great example which absolutely fulfills the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister for the one district, one product. And we've been using this example with other states as well in our capacity building workshops. Lastly, I would just like to say that Trinity said, whatever we have, we should share. And this great example, which has been, seen here in Mule, this is one example which I would like to share with the rest of the country, so that we all learn from each other and do better.
Districts of the country have identified a product for exports, scaling up manufacturing, improving quality. So as part of the ODOP, the One District, One Product, the Lakadong turmeric is a very important product which comes from the West Jaintia Hills district. The quality of the turmeric is world famous and it is in great demand. To give a leverage to the marketing of the turmeric, there were some buyer-seller meets which were facilitated by the Department of Industry and Invest India in Government of India, along with the Government of Meghalaya, the state government and the local authorities. The self-help groups here and Padma Shri Trinity Saiho have been instrumental in taking this movement ahead. The entire coordination was with the self-help groups of the local village, and the farmers who've been growing turmeric, they've been helped by the local communities to grow more turmeric, and led by Trinity and her team, the women who work with her, the farmers who work with her. They have also been dealing with other issues such as insects attacking the crop and enhancing the productivity, enhancing the quality, organic turmeric to the table of the consumer. So in this context, the buyer, which was identified and facilitated with the help of Invest India from Kerala, has come in and purchased 13 tons of turmeric last year, and the procurement order has gone up to 25 tons this year. Now, when the procurement is done, more quantity has to be aggregated, has to be brought together. In order to do that, the local transportation may sometimes have issues because of the hilly terrain and the rainy climate, and that is how the idea of using drones under the Agni Mission of Government of India was brought in, and the collaboration was brought in. The drones can pick up payloads of anything between 5 kg to 25 kg, and the next order, which is about 25 tons of turmeric, will be greatly helped with the help of drone intervention. The payment will be made by the buyer, the Kerala buyer, who's already purchased this turmeric, 20-25 tons this year, and he will be facilitating picking up the turmeric from the various points. The cost of transportation also comes down with the help of use of drones. So this is the initiative.